Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating where certificates live on the server so you can inspect them. Look in standard folders like /etc/SSL and your web server config. Open the config to see exact file paths. Once you have paths, use sudo to list and display the files with commands like lsl and OpenSol x509 insert. Pem nuat text to read details. Make sure to record file names and ownership. This prevents accidental permission changes later when you continue. Once you have the cert files, examine the certificate contents and chain to understand status and trust. Use OpenSol to read validity dates, issuer, and SAN entries. This explains which hosts are covered. Then verify the certificate chain. Ensure server certificate, any intermediate files, and a trusted root are present. If missing intermediates, TLS clients may fail. Also compare the private key modulus with the cert to confirm a match before making changes or reloading services. You finish by validating the live TLS setup and resolving common failures. Restart or reload your web server, then test with OpenSol S Client Connect host, 443 server name host to inspect the presented cert. If you find expiration or a key mismatch, replace the certificate and intermediates, ensure file ownership and 600 permissions for keys, update config paths, and reload. If clients still complain, check server name indication and firewall. These often explain why a valid cert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.